Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Carly, and this is Carly's Crafts and Interests. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these resin pens here that I made here. And yeah, they do right. They come with, I got these out of a kit, the basic molds that is, and these pens here. And for this, you can use glitters if you want to. Like these. Today we're going to use dried flowers. So for this, you will need your resin mold here. I got these in a pack of 3 when I got them. And I got a whole bunch of these also when they came. And what you're going to do first is you're going to take your little pen here. You're going to place it inside the mold here. Make sure it stays in there. See? It's inside like that. The next step, I'm going to take these dried flowers here that I crushed up. You can buy these in a variety of different places. I think these, I don't think they're roses. They might be chrysanthemums. I'd have to look and see again. And I'm just turning a little bit here so you can see what I'm doing here. And you're going to break it up. I don't want huge pieces. You want enough pieces to cover inside for your decor here. Just along inside the mold. They go into the bottom no matter what. So you just place them neatly inside. You just press that a little bit because that one's a little bit big. You can have large or small pieces. That is up to you, of course. And so I've got it all inside, as you can see. The next step, and you want to protect your hands for this, because this is resin. I have these little handy little, supposed to be finger molds. There we go. Not molds, glove-like things. Protect your hands, because you don't really want to get resin on your hands. It's not good for them. So you can use, gloves if you would like to as well. I just happen to have these on hand. And what you're going to do, take your resin and pour into the mold. Nice and down the way. Till it's all nice and covered. Like so. You want to go back up and down the mold here a few times just so you get it all covered. One more pass. Okay. When that is done, tap it down. And then you turn on your UV light here. This is a nail, otherwise known as a gel nail dryer as well. Works the same. You let it sit there for, I would say, 5-10 minutes or so. Depending on what kind of nail dryer you have, or if you have a proper UV lamp, it might be quicker. And you just let it sit there until it is nice and cooked. You take it out of the mold, you want to flip it over, and you want to do the other side for a few minutes too. And the idea is to make it so that it's nice and hard like this. And this is like your end result here. And then you have made yourself your own little pen that you designed yourself. I have done a couple of them. This one is a glittery one that I did. And this one's a glittery one too, but it's silver. Here's another one with a little bit of a variation on that kind of glitter. And you just have fun with it. Many things will work with it, as you see, like dried flowers, glitter, little foil pieces that I've used. And if you watch my other videos, I've used those for other things. The littler ones you can even use. Let me see. Things like this. And the Dollar Tree is a good place to get it. Or you can, I got this pack of things here. Of different things. I'll show you real quickly here. Like this, You can use that. Because they're small enough. And so they would work well for this design. And then you've made your own customized pen that you can use for yourself or to give to other people for presents or what have you, whatever you would like to do. It's pretty simple. This is not for kids though because of the resin. The resin is dangerous for anybody. That's why I got these little things on to protect my hands. And that's basically our craft here. Very simple, very easy to do. Yes, this does right if I take off the little wax end that it came with. I wish it came with a cap too, but it didn't. But I can find a little cap. Simple. This kind of works. Kinda. To go on. Might have to find it. Just something that will make it so that it doesn't dry out when I took out the wax. I might have to, look a bit for something for that. The kit I got didn't come with caps. It should have because, to make a complete pen, you would want a cap so you can keep using that pen. Anyways, that is our craft today. It's fun and use your creativity to make your pen however you want. Make sure that you make sure that the resin cures is the term for a good 5-10 minutes or however long you would want, and then flip it over. Make sure the other side, you can take it out and do the other side. You don't have to keep it in the mold the whole time, but make sure that it cures long enough. Otherwise, it would be bendy, gooey, not very nice, and basically didn't set, and you want it to. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Stay tuned for more. If you're subscribed to my channel, I'm so glad that you're here with us and, me, learning about this different craft. It's fun. I actually got this idea from another channel and I saw what they were doing. Like, hey, that's cool. Let me try that, And so that's what I did. And that's the great thing is we can share information with each other. And I enjoyed this. It takes a little bit of practice to get a pen that you are happy with sometimes, but the more you do it with anything else, the happier you'll be. If you're not subscribed, please do. It costs you nothing. Absolutely. I don't have that kind of a channel that charges. And maybe one day, who knows? I'm not there yet. But please do, and please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me as a YouTuber. I'm a small YouTuber. Yes, I am. And with your help, I can grow. Till then, though, see you next time and come back for more crafts and interests on Kari's Crafts and Interests. Take care now.